have this question. What the question is saying that a ray of light that is passing from air to A, B, C. Okay. Finally, it is coming to C. Which of the following pairs of medium the bending of light is least? So first of all, we will understand what is the meaning of bending. Just look at this diagram. For example, this is any glass slab or any interface. Here our glass water. Okay. Here any air. Just I have taken this case just to make you understood. Now look at this. Here light ray is coming like this. From here it is coming like this. Okay. This is the angle of incidence. Okay. This is normal. So rather than going straight, it will bend. So this is known as bending. It is going straight, but it will bend. This is known as bending. Okay. Bending. Now, if this is I, this is also I. And this is R. So if you ask me how much it bend, it will be I minus R. This is angle of deviation or bend. At what angle it is bent? Angle of deviation. Okay. So if this angle of deviation is more, then more bending. If mod I minus R, why I am taking mod? Because it is not negative. We will take it. We are mainly concerned with magnitude. If it is high, okay. If it is high, then more bending. Clear? Like this. It is high means this is more it is lesser the R. Okay, high, more bending. If mod I minus R is low, then less bending, very less. Its value is very low, then least bending. Okay, that is only. So I we know that what is angle of incidence? That is fixed because we are going to pass a light ray. I is constant. So in this I minus R, I is fixed. We know that. Okay, let us suppose. Then on the basis of R, we can tell where bending is more, where bending is less. Now, if a light ray is passing from, for example, R to first case, medium A, refractive index 1.50. Clear? Second case, what they are saying, enters medium B of refractive index 1.33. Then it is going from A to B. Okay, it is having 1.50, it is having 1.33. Okay, then after that, C, B to C. Light is going from B to C. What is the refractive index of C? 2.42. 2.42. And what is the refractive index of B? 1.33. Then final case C to R. Here C, then here R. 2.42. Here you can take 1. Now out of all these cases, in which case least bending is there? So obviously, like if it is going from R is having refractive index 1. So light is coming like this, then suddenly refractive index is more here. Okay, then it will bend more, more the refractive index, lesser the angle of refraction. This angle is very, very less. So here more bending will be there. Clear? We are doing comparison. Now, in this case, if it is going from C to A, then in case of C, more refractive index of C means very, very less angle of incidence, like this. But when it is passing from C to A, air, then air is having very, very less refractive index, means it will make more angle from normal. So it is going like this. Okay. Here bending is more. Here more R. Okay. Understood? It will bend more. But if it is going from like B to C, A to B, check this option. This is very, very critical. When it is going from B to C, then optical change in the refractive index, for example, here 1.33, here 2.42. If you subtract 2.42 minus 1.33, this difference is large. Okay, but here 1.50 minus 1.33, it is less. So if you look at this, here bending will be, if it is angle of incidence, so it is going like this. Rather than going straight, it is going like this. So bending is very less, very least here. Why? Because there is no more change. There is very less change in the optical density, 1.50 to 1.33. Okay. Then here angle R, this will be angle of R. This bending is very less. But if you look at BC, then if B light is coming from B, since 2.42, very, very high. Okay. This is very, very high refractive index. So bending will be here. Bending here also least, but if you compare this case AB, if you compare with AB, then here bending is little bit more. Okay. So least bending will be in AB case. So option B. Clear? So simply Snell's law application. So just check if the change in the optical density is less, means very less bending will takes place. Okay. If you ask me, sir, in this case, tell us now. See, if this medium is having the refractive index 1, and suddenly this medium in which light is going to enter, its refractive index is 2.42, then obviously higher the refractive index, this angle of incidence, higher the refractive index, more the bending, lesser the angle of refraction. So it will be like this. Okay, this is angle of refraction. So it will bend more. Okay, this is angle of deviation. Clear? So simple Snell's law, I have applied Snell's law concept. If you remember, then we can easily solve this question. Okay. Still you have doubt like in Snell's law, you can ask me. Sir, we are not able to understand Snell's law. I can explain in the next lecture. But if you communicate within comment section or if you ask me, then I will definitely reply. Okay. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot. And wish you good luck for your board examination. Keep learning, keep moving ahead. Thank you.